The second way that you can obtain an excellent preset for your new scrim banner is to choose a scrim banner that is already on our HP Solutions Locator. Okay, the Media Locator is a key tool because we've provided customized presets for a very wide range of media. I mean, there are hundreds of medias on there, and they are all custom designed to work with the latex printer. We know, for example, that the UltraFlex Ultima Front-Lit Matte banner works beautiful on the latex printer. That is a certified media. So if you go to the little panel that's on your printer and search for that media, which is right here, I've gone to UltraFlex, all you have to do is locate it through the online search and then download it. You download it directly into the printer. It's easy, it's simple, and then in my opinion, this is the best way to print with the latex printer. So you can either use the panel here, or you can actually go online to the HP Media Solutions Locator and then look them up online and choose materials that we already know work excellent on the latex printers. And we're adding new materials all the time. This way, you start with a material that you already know works well rather than buying a material and then hoping it works well. It's a more efficient and effective way to pick the best material for these printers. And once you've downloaded it and it's in the printer, the next thing to do is go into the image quality, and what you want to do is you want to calibrate that media. What you're doing with a calibration is you're downloading it from a source that we've built it from. Now your print heads might be in a slightly different, say, ink equilibrium than the printer that made it. So we want to thumbprint it, we want to baseline it for your particular printer so that when you download it, there's going to be a media calibration that says recommended. And we're going to show you where that is on the printer. Well, if it says recommended, that means you have downloaded it, but you have not color calibrated it. Color calibration creates that key fingerprint. If it says OK, that means yes, you have color calibrated it, it has that baseline in its memory, and then the printer retains those key density settings that it knows over time it can refer back to, and that establishes color consistency on your printer over time. So if you download the preset, and then you hit color calibrate, and then it says OK, 3 months from now, if you're printing the same job, and you have concerns that you have to hit the same spot colors, and now your media preset says obsolete, we recommend that you would press color calibrate again. It will print the chart, the printer will automatically read it, and then it will dial everything back to the original date that you built it. Its birth date, so to speak. This way, over time, you're always going to be printing the same colors. This is a technology that's unique to these latex printers, and it's really quite brilliant. And it allows you to maintain consistent color within the printer.